Now watch closely as I make over $6,000 with my stock trading loophole live on video. Okay, here we are. This is a normal Thursday morning, and I'm going to be using a screen capture program to record my trading. Now, my stock trading loophole has just identified a stock that is about to make a huge gain. So let me jump up here, and we can load up the New York Times website. And there's the front page. Now look down here at the date. The date is Thursday, November 15th, 2012. The time is 9:23 a.m., so the stock market is about to open. Now the stock that my loophole has found is TLLE, so I'm going to go ahead and log into my online brokerage account and buy around $2,000 worth of shares. So let me just open up my online trading account at eTrade.com. There we go. Jump up into the corner and log in. And here we are. Let's go down and look, and you can see that my account balance is just under $6,000. But I'm only going to invest around $2,000 in this stock. So we'll go up here. I want to pull up the stock, TLLE. Get quote. And we'll take a look here. As you can see, the price, right over here, is 13 cents per share. All I need to do now is go over here and click Buy. And of course, we want to buy 15,384 shares. And also I'm going to put a limit in of 38 cents. Now remember, when you are buying penny stocks, you should always use a limit order. If you can do the math quickly, then 15,384 shares at 13 cents each comes to just under $2,000. We'll preview that order, look at it, make sure everything is all fine. And now I'm going to go down here and go ahead and place my buy order. So there you have it. I just placed my buy order, and this will probably cost me just over $2,000. Let's check this out here. Take a good look at it. Now what I'm going to do is stop the video, and we'll cut to tomorrow's trading and see how I've done. All right, this is the good part. This is where I get to log in and see exactly how much money I've made overnight. So, first off, I'm going to show you the date again at the New York Times. There we have the front page, the date. As you can see, it is November 16th, roughly 24 hours after I bought TLLE. So let me pop back up here and open up my eTrade account. All right, and here we are. Never forget this or you will never get anywhere. Log in. We'll go down here with a simple click of the button. And look at this. As you can see, my net assets are now just over $12,000. And remember, I only invested around $2,000 in TLLE. Now I'm going to go ahead and sell my last remaining shares, so let me open up this quote again. And look at this. As you can see, the price has rocketed to 46 cents per share. And the stocks chart is almost vertical. Look at that. So now I'm just going to go ahead and sell all my remaining shares, so we click Sell. And we are going to go over here and enter 1,450 shares, and that's at a minimum price of 48 cents. There we go. Let's go and preview that order now. All right, looks good. Let's go ahead and place that order. And there you have it. We are all done. So as you've just seen, it really is that easy to make thousands of dollars a week using my stock market loophole. Now, you've just watched over my shoulder as I've turned over $2,000 into $6,082.60, and I've done it all on live video, so you can see for yourself, firsthand, how easy it is. Now continue reading this page, and I'll explain more about how you can get your hands on my secret loophole and make thousands of dollars yourself a day. Oh, one last thing as absolute proof. I'm going to open my account portfolio here, and I'm going to show you how I have over $11,000 worth of cash sitting in my account. That's amazing. Now, I know what you're thinking. How can someone with little or no trading experience make this kind of money from home trading stocks? It's simple, and all I ask is that you keep watching this page to reveal how it's done. By the way, thanks for watching my live proof video. You are one of only a select group of people who will ever get a chance to see something like that, and you're part of an even smaller group who may get the chance to take advantage of this opportunity. However, let me just point out, I'm not saying everyone who watches this video will start making $10,000 a month like me, but with my strategy in hand, even the greenest of investors should be able to make up to $2,000 or more per month in literally a matter of days. But first, before we jump into this thing with both feet, let's get better acquainted. My name is Paul Kincaid, and in this short presentation, I'm going to teach you how to make up to $10,000 a month trading stocks. The strategy I'm about to teach you is very specific, and you need to follow everything exactly as I explain it. What I teach in my report has made some of my students hundreds of thousands of dollars. How much is information like that worth? $1,000? $2,000? More? When I first wrote this report, I sold each copy for $499 to experienced traders. These traders were happy to pay this price because they were able to use the information to start making money immediately. These traders knew and understood that the right information can be invaluable. But this high price posed a problem for me. Not many normal everyday people are willing to pay such a high price for 62 pages of information. You see, until they've read it and seen the power of this stock market technique, I'm just another internet madman making wild claims. Anyway, I thought about this long and hard, and here's what I decided to do. The usual price of this report is $197. That's the full amount, and you'll never need to pay a penny more. But I'm going to let you download the full report today for just $37. Yep, you heard that right. You can download the full report within the next 5 minutes for the price of a tank of gas. However, I don't make a single penny selling this report to anyone who isn't able to put valuable information to good use. Be warned, this offer is not for everyone. In fact, I'm not even allowing most people to sign up. Why? Because the stock market is a crazy place, and occasionally people will lose money. If you trade on a continuous basis, it is 100% certain you will experience losing trades every now and again. So, if you're the kind of person who is not emotionally stable enough to handle a loss, then you are not allowed to purchase this report. On the other hand, if you have the required amount of courage pumping through your veins, and you are the kind of person who likes to take carefully calculated risks, then this is exactly what you're looking for. Another thing to remind you of is, when you trade stocks, it's impossible to lose a penny more than your initial investment. Now, I already told you that for a limited time, only you can purchase the full report at a hugely discounted price. But I'm about to sweeten the deal even further. Because here's how you can try my loophole absolutely free for 8 weeks. As soon as I receive your order, I will immediately contact you by email and send your welcome package. After that, you've still got 8 more weeks to read the report and see for yourself if it is as profitable as I say it is. If it isn't, you can simply email me and I'll happily refund your full joining fee. You will have lost nothing. Have you ever heard of anything like that before? There are just too many times in life when people are not willing to hold themselves accountable for their own services. How many people have a stockbroker who will guarantee he will make money or he will refund your investment? Is there an attorney who will guarantee he will win your case or he will refund your money? I'm thoroughly willing to make such a statement and more than willing to back it up. In summary, you have an 8-week period when you may try the loophole, and even if you decide you'd like a refund, I will still let you keep my original strategy. However, you won't receive any new updates I release. That way, whatever the outcome of this, you will profit. That's everything I wanted to say. So I'm going to end the presentation here. Go ahead and click the big yellow Continue button below. Within 30 seconds, you can be downloading my report, and within a few days, you'll be using this strategy to make consistent profits. Just think, had you purchased this report just a few weeks ago, you would be far wealthier than you are right now. Remember, there is absolutely no reason for you to leave this page empty-handed. You can at least take advantage of this 100% risk-free offer. If you're not earning a substantial income within 8 weeks, email me and your entire membership fee will be instantly returned. Why would I do something silly like that? Because I have absolute faith that you'll make so much in gains from this report that you'll call back and ask to rejoin. That's the best test drive imaginable. You can keep the car even if you decide not to buy it.